Good morning, everyone. My name is Chebrolu Bhuvan. In last class, we have completed chapter 7 fractions. In this class, we are going to discuss chapter 8 decimals. Okay, so in this decimals, it is a very easy topic. Okay, and in this decimals also, we will be using fractions. Okay, so if you know fractions very thoroughly, decimals will be very easy. Okay, so in decimals, what is a decimal? What is a decimal? What is a decimal point? These terms will be learned. So, first thing, we have two persons. Example, Raju, Sita. Okay, so Raju is having 5 rupees 50 paise. Sita is having 7 rupees 50 paise. They wanted to buy one pencil, one chocolate. Let us see, chocolate. The chocolate price is 5 rupees 50 paise. So Raju is having. So what the shopkeeper said is 5 rupees 50 paise only is the chocolate price. The shopkeeper said the chocolate price is 5.50 rupees. These both did not understand. Then he said 5.50 or 5 rupees 50 paise both are same. Okay, so now how can we write this as 5.50 rupees? So here rupees 7.50. Okay, so this is the introduction of decimal. So now we wrote 7.50 rupees. Okay, so this decimal, this point is known as decimal point. This is known as decimal point. Known as decimal point. Okay, so the both representations are easy. They both are same. They'll be representing the same. And the one more important topic is see. Now, we first will be representing the decimal point. Okay, so in the right side, okay, see, we will be having place values 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. The same place here will be having ones, tens, hundred, thousands. We know ones into 10 will be giving tens place. So in the right side, see, in the left side, it will be multiplied by 10. In this side, multiply by 10. But in the opposite side, it will be divided by 10. Okay, so in the decimal point, right side divided by 10, left side multiplied by 10. Each place values will be multiplied by 10. After 1000, if you multiply by 10, you will be getting 10,000. Okay, like that only. So, what are these terms? 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. That let us see. Okay, the first term is 1 by 10. First term is 1 by 10. So what is 1 by 10? Now a whole. Let us take this whole. It is divided into 4 only. But here that is 1 by 10. So this diagram we can't applicable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have 10 parts. In that if you take one part, it is told 1 by 10. If you take two parts, 2 by 10. If we take 3 parts, 3 by 10. That everybody knows. That everybody knows. Okay, so this is in the writing in the form of fraction, but we should write in the form of decimal. Okay, that is how to write. How to write is 1 by 10th can be written as 0.1. 0.1. So we are telling 2.5. This is 1 by 10th place. 1 by 10th place. 1 by 10th place. It is written as 0.1. The same thing. 1 by 100 is the next place value. This can be written as 0.01. If here, in suppose, here in the numerator, suppose we are having 54, then in the two, here there are 2 points, here there are 2 numbers. So in this 2 points, we have to write those numbers. Then how we can write 0.54. If there is, in suppose, 2 by 100, then there are 2 zeros and only one number. So what we have to do is first we have to write 2. Okay. Okay. And we have to mention 0 before. Please. Okay. Now we are having 20. 20. This how we can write is 0.2 is it? Tens place. 0.20. Otherwise, this also can be written as 0.2. In decimal, if right side 0 is there, there is no value. Okay, see now, we have 0.20. This can be written as 20 by 100. So, we will be writing it as 0.20. Otherwise, if we cancel one 0, so it will be becoming 2 by 10, that is 0.2. So the both are same only. So in decimal, if right side 0 is added, see how many zeros are added? There is no value itself. Okay, this is about 1 by 100. Okay, this is about 1 by 100. What we saw? 1 by 10th means 0.1. 1 by 100th means 0.01. Because up is only 1. We cannot before 0. See, when 0, see, very easily I will be telling 1 by 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. After decimal point, put 2 zeros. Okay, then up what are the numbers? 0, 1. So always the first number should be going to first place value. Second number will be going to second place value. So 0 means 0 only. And in place of 0, we have to write 0.1. Here, we can write 0 or without 0 also nothing. No problem. 0.01. This is the way to write. Okay. 0.01. If it is 1 by 1000. There are 3 zeros. If 2 zeros means, we had seen how to write. 3 zeros means same thing only. See, now 0.001 we can write. Okay, so 001 in place of these 3 digits we have to write. Okay, we have to write how many zeros? We have to put that many dashes after the decimal. So what is the number above? That number should be written. 0, 0, 1. So 0.001. You see, 1 by 1000. So these are the 3 things very important in order to understand decimals easily. Okay. And in the next thing, we are going to learn how to read a decimal. How to read a decimal. Read a decimal. First off, see, now we have 23.56. 23.56. Okay. See, then what is 5? 1 by 10. What is 6? 1 by 100th place. Understand? See. Now, how to read this? We have to read it as 23.56. We should never tell 23.56. That is a wrong method. So, how to read is 23.56. After decimal point, the numbers we have to repeat separately only. 5, 6. We should not read as 56. Then this is, now we understand how to read a decimal. So now how to read this decimal? 576 point, okay, 757. So how to read this? 576 point we have to write. That's a compulsory. 576.757. That's it. 757. Okay, 757. 757. So how to write the number name? Let us. We have to write it as 20. How to write it? 23 point 5. Okay, you understand how to write a number name. How to write it? .56. Okay, we have to, in the decimal in the left side, we have to represent it in the normal method, and center point we have to write. After that, how many numbers are there? We have to write the separately. This is how to write a number name. Next, how to write place values. Let us see. Okay, place values. See, 23.56. They are asking the place value of 5. Place value of 5 is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. If they ask place value of 6, 1 by 100. Okay, this is the easy. Next one. Next topic, we are going to learn how to write the expanded form. How to write the expanded form. So let us take 576.767. Okay, see now we can write this as 500 plus 70 plus 6. This is normal. And in the expanded form, we should not use decimal point. Okay. See now we have 7.67. This how we can write 767 by 1000. We can write. We can split it. See, we can split. This is first is 1 by 10th place. So we have to divide the first number by 10. 7 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus again 7 by 1000. This is the way how to write expanded form. If you have one more doubt, let's do one more. How to write 20 plus 3. This is 1 by 10th place. So divide by 10. 5 by 10. This is 1 by 100th place. So divide by 100. That's it. Okay, that's it. In this way only we have to write. So now we are going to learn how to write fractions as decimals. How to write fractions as decimals we are going to learn now. Very easy. How to write fractions as decimals. Now we have the fraction 11 by 5. Okay, we have the fraction 11 by 5. So we we have two methods. One is division method and the other one is equivalent method, equivalent fraction method. Okay. So division method. How to find? See. 11, 5. We know 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. Subtract 1. So put a point here and write 0 down. If you put a point, we have to bring a 0 down. So 5 twos are 10 we down. 5 twos are 10. 0 we got. So we know that we got it as 11 by 5 is 2.2. So the other method how to find. So we know we have to make, if in the equivalent fraction method, we have to make the denominators as 10 or 100 or 1000 based on the usage. So then first we can make it as 10 easily. Into 2 into 2. 22 by 10. 1 0. Okay. So only one digit we have to place after decimal. So 2 before decimal as usual. 22. 2.2. Okay. So one more example let us take. We have 7 by 5. 7 by 5. How to find? See. First method 5. 1 times 5. 2. So point means 1 0. So 7 by 5 is 1.4. So how to write this? 7 by 5 into 2 into 2. And we getting 14 by 10. So 1.4 because one digit remaining number before the decimal. So how to convert decimal into fraction? Fraction into decimal we learn. Decimal into fraction is very easy. 25.76 we have. So after that, how many decimals are there? We have to draw a line, and below, if 2 decimals means 100 we have to write. 1 decimals means 1000 we have to write. 2 numbers are there after decimal point. 2 zeros we have to put. And between 1. That's it. So up what is the number? Fully we have to write 2, 5, 7, 6. So if we have 9.5, one digit only, so 10, 95 by 10, 10.001, 3 digits are there. So 1000, 10001. This is how we write fraction in the form of decimal. We learn decimal in the form of fraction. Okay, so now this session ends. In this class, we have learned about what is the introduction of decimals. Okay, in this class, we have learned what is a decimal, what is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay, expanded form, number name, place value, how to convert fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction. Okay, thank you. If you like, subscribe, or if you have any doubt, you can ask, so that the topic of the exercise 8.1 and 8.2 is completed. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.